Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to speak about the chapter Science in Islam. Fact number 4. Iron sent down. Iron is not natural to Earth as it came to this planet from outer space. Scientists have found that billions of years ago the Earth was struck by meteorites which were carrying iron from distant stars which had exploded. Here Allah says as we sent down iron with its great inherent strength and its many benefits for humankind. Quran, Surah 57, Ayah 25. God uses the words sent down. The fact that iron was sent down to the earth from outer space is something which could not be known by the primitive science of the 7th century. Fact number 5. Sky's protection. The sky plays a crucial role in protecting the earth and its inhabitants from the lethal rays of the sun, as well as the freezing cold of space. God asks us to consider the sky in the following verse. We, here Allah says as, made the sky a protective ceiling, and yet they are turning away from our science. Quran, Surah 21, Ayah 32. The Quran points to the sky protection as a sign of God. Protective properties which were discovered by scientific research conducted in the 20th century. Fact number 6. Mountains. God draws our attention to an important characteristic of mountains. Did we not make the earth a resting place and the mountains as stakes? Quran 78, 6, 7. The Quran accurately describes the deep roots of mountains by using the word stakes. Mount Everest, for example, has an approximate height of 9 km above ground. While its root is deeper than 125 km, the fact that mountains have deep stake-like roots was not known until after the development of the theory of plate tectonics in the beginning of the 20th century. God also says in the Quran 16:15 that the mountains have a role in establishing the earth so that it would not shake, which has just begun to be understood by scientists. Fact number 7. Sun's orbit. In 1512, astronomer Nicholas Copernicus put forward his theory that the sun is motionless at the center of the solar system and the planets revolve around it. This belief was widespread amongst astronomers until the 20th century. It is now a well-established fact that the sun is not stationary but is moving in an orbit around the center of Milky Way galaxy. It is He who created night and day, the sun and the moon, each floating in its orbit. Quran, Surah 21, Ayah 23. Fact number 8. Internal waves in the ocean. It was commonly thought that waves only occur on the surface of the ocean. However, oceanographers have discovered that there are internal waves that take place below the surface which are invisible to the human eye and can only be detected by specialized equipment. The Quran mentions a deep ocean which is covered by waves, above which are clouds, layers of darkness one upon the other. Quran, Surah 24, Ayah 40. This description is amazing because 14,000 years ago there was no specialist equipment to discover the internal waves deep inside the oceans. So today enough. Hereafter we'll speak in the part 3, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.